I'm back again. And I got Osaka sushi. Oh, fuck a bitch sideways. Let's just get into this. Oh, I just threw the cutleries away. I'll do anything for views. Anything. Okay, so welcome to Beyond the Fridge Sushi, my usual go-to place. Now I have to say, oops, sorry, crinkle sideways. Today I had what's called onboarding after 4 months of employment. It's basically like an orientation. Now, I find it very interesting. I will say this thing, guys. I guess we just have to accept all where we are at in our lives. But, basically onboarding is like a higher orientation, like I was saying. But this one guy I worked with, I love working with him, and I feel like I could learn a lot from him. He's from Brazil. He's here 6 months. He already is having success. And another girl I met, Dragonana. I can't pronounce her name. I don't want to pronounce her name. Dragana. Beautiful name, from Bolivia. She's an assistant manager and only here in the country 1 year. And it's like, oh, then there's me, the Canadian, born and raised. No, I'm just a sales associate. Well, I shouldn't say that. I shouldn't say I'm just anything. But yeah, they had I usually hate these kind of things because I feel so awkward in group settings. But it was 9 people. And oh, fuck me. Yeah, it was small, but we had sushi lunch, and I have to say it was very good. And it's in a different city than where I live, even though I know it seems silly. Vancouver is made up of all these little cities that spread out all over the place, so I never go to this area, but I don't know. I'm very used to Vancouver and downtown Vancouver and East Van, Burnaby. And also, for me, it's very bad now because I work in my neighborhood, Yamro, so I'm lazy now. So, no idea how, but my last Beyond the Fridge Wendy's is 93 views. And for me, that's a lot. So I just want to take a moment to celebrate. And hopefully this one will reach milestones as well. Because if you can't eat on top of your fridge, then where can you eat, right? Tell me that. Tell me. Where can you eat? I say just live life. Oh. So my coworker asked if I want to do some shift in his store. We'll see. It's a Brazilian guy. He's so nice. Oh my God. Oh, I made some tea. Oh shit. Oh, this is too hot to even enjoy. Let's let that steam let y'all get wet a bit. So I just want to say that my workplace went all out for the sushi lunch. It was pretty good. I would go order from this place. They have pink rice, which is marinated in, I forget what they said. I live. When there's, earlier when I searched on Uber, 360 options came up for sushi restaurants. $360. Ah, this one's falling apart. Hey guys, I'm full. The sushi lunch I had today was much better. I'm beyond the fridge, but I'm beyond my mind. What I'm gonna decide to do. I don't know anymore. I feel like I don't. I'm struggling for a long time. People, I'm not on anyone's favorites list, I feel. I'm not maybe where I should be in life, but who's to say? Right? Who's to say? Okay, I have a really fishy mouth. I gotta go. Oh, my mouth is so fishy. Oh.